Cleveland industries are moving fast, but the risk is that IT falls behind, turning everyday operations into fire drills, with downtime, security concerns, and compliance pressure stacking up across healthcare, manufacturing, finance, food, and technology. One clear signal of the scale here is that nearly 2/3 have indicated that technology platforms enable them to mitigate supply chain difficulties, and when systems are shaky, that advantage disappears fast. Managed services step in to stabilize the basics and strengthen what matters most, bridging skill gaps, tightening cybersecurity, improving uptime, and building the kind of scalability that supports growth instead of slowing it down. As Ben Myslensky, owner and president at Tech Communications, says, technology is not just support. It is the engine driving business resilience and growth in Cleveland's industries, and you can see that play out in every sector. In healthcare, it means secure, monitored systems. In manufacturing and advanced materials, it means stronger monitoring. In finance, it means secure cloud access. In technology and startups, it means scaling infrastructure without overloading internal teams while keeping security and governance consistent. You can read the entire article on our website to see how this applies to your sector, and you can add this to your Spotify playlist so it is easy to revisit.